Welcome to Job Market for Cloud Computing Expert Viewpoints. In this video, we will listen to several cloud application professionals discuss the job market and the nature of opportunities available in cloud computing for people aspiring to get into this field. They will also discuss what they foresee as the future of opportunities in this field.
With more companies adopting some sort of cloud and becoming more cloud aware, there is no lack of opportunities for aspiring software developers. You could get into this field as a cloud architect, where you're thinking about how to architect applications, which, by the way, look a lot different than if you were developing applications, monolith applications on a single server, versus developing applications for the distributed cloud. So that is a very prominent role. Another role could be that of a data engineer, where you're looking at building pipelines for data to flow from the source databases and other storage into perhaps data science models that are deployed at scale on cloud. Another very important role is that of a cloud security engineer. And in that role, it'll be your responsibility to see that all of the different layers of your cloud are secure for your developers and your end users.
So there are so many opportunities for people thinking about getting into cloud computing. You'd be surprised how many companies are still not in the cloud. And it's very clear that they're all going to go to the cloud eventually, because it's just so much better for so many reasons that we've talked about. And there is not enough talent right now to fill all of that demand, and that demand will just keep coming. And really, there are so many things to know about the cloud. One person can't know them all. So if you just learn one or two things about the cloud really well, you're already going to be really valuable to some company. Let's say you just know a storage service and one compute service really well, or even just decently. That is really valuable to many companies. And if you're just getting started, I would recommend get a certification. I had zero experience in the cloud, and I got a certification. And by getting that cloud certification, I was instantly more visible to recruiters, and I got a job. And so if you don't have the experience on your resume, start off by getting a certification.
Depending on your area of interest, you can get into different fields under cloud computing. If you like programming, you can be a cloud application developer. You should have knowledge of front-end and back-end technologies like Python, Java, Angular, React, etc. It would also require you to have database skills in relational databases like SQL and MySQL, as well as NoSQL databases like Hadoop, MongoDB, etc. There is a rapidly increased demand for machine learning and artificial intelligence. You need to have good understanding of machine learning concepts and should have the ability to handle and process big data. You can choose the career path of being a big data scientist, machine learning engineer. There is also need for cloud professionals with specialization in cloud security skills. These professionals should understand cloud security and also leverage the cloud security tools offered by organizations. Another opportunity for cloud computing is in the area of DevOps. DevOps engineer will need understanding of DevOps tools like Docker, Kubernetes, GitHub, etc. They should also focus on understanding the CI/CD pipeline and automating the process of development and deployment.
Suffice it to say, there are a myriad of career paths in the cloud technology space, including professional career path options for people with and without a BS degree or a non-technical college degree. Companies cannot find enough trained people in cloud technology, so opportunities and demand are definitely out there. In addition, companies are focusing on training their current employees, both reskilling and upskilling to meet this demand internally. So Coursera is committed to helping people without college degrees, or people that are making career changes to access these job opportunities that exist in cloud technology.